In this video, we're going to be identifying three-dimensional shapes, or 3D, the number of faces, and the number of vertices. So for the number of faces, we could see a face is just one side, right? So for this cube, you can count the number of faces. There's this one, there's the top, there's the one in the back here, the one on the side, and the bottom. And then for the vertices just is a point. So where two sides intersect, two or more sides. So just basically a point. So you could see this one has one here, one here, one here, one here, and then at the bottom as well. One here, one here, one here, one here. So let's name all of these shapes. So we have the cube, the sphere, the cylinder, the cuboid, the pyramid, the prism, and the cone. There's other ones, but these are the main ones that you should remember. Now, we're going to count the faces and the vertices. So for this one, you just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces. And then you just count the number of corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. Sphere is easy. There's only one face, no corners. So vertices are 0. Cylinder has 3 faces, the top, the bottom, and then the middle. And there's no corners, so it also has no vertices. A cuboid is just an elongated cube. So it would have the same faces and same vertices. A pyramid has 5 faces. You could count the bottom, this side, then the 2 back sides, right? So now let's count the vertices. Those are just the corners. 1 here, and then 4 on the bottom. Totals 5, right? So the prism, we have this triangle, that's one face. The back triangle, 2 faces. This side, 3 faces. The back side, 4 faces. And the bottom, 5 faces. Vertices, let's count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A cone is pretty easy. There's 2 faces, just the round top and the bottom. Vertices, only 1 corner, so there's 1. So these ones are just things that you should remember and practice. So if you pause the video, you should practice naming the faces and the vertices. And if you get confused, just start the video again and watch it again.